Ikram, let me take a picture of you here.
Yeah? No, it's
Ikram,
okay.
come here. Then I talk here. Come here, you ask me here. This is going to be, come here. Our question booth.
Oh, I like it. Mambo, Catherine.
Hi, Mambo.
You are in questionnaire booth.
All right.
Yeah, we will ask you some questions. First, let's start with your name and introduction of your beautiful self.
Thank you. My name is Catherine Charles. You can call me Kate, and I'm from Tanzania. I came to China for business. I am a business lady, but I'm also an engineer.
Wow,
Yes.
that's impressive, girl.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you. Okay, Catherine, please tell me your experience in China for this business trip.
It was really eye-opening. So I started in Guangzhou for some few weeks. Then my mentor Ikran told me I could find everything in you, and I'm glad I listened to her because I needed someone who is here to hold my hand. So it has been an amazing trip, and I got everything that I wanted. But if I could have come alone, it could have been so hard. I'm so grateful for her.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm happy I met you.
Me too, girl.
Seriously.
Me too.
You are so sweet. Okay, now the third question is, are you single?
Go, I'm single. You're going to cut that part?
No.
Then I
Yes,
told her
girl.
I'm single and
here, you ask me.
very looking.
Yes,
Yeah,
of
yeah.
course. Single and ready to mingle.
Very ready to mingle, girl.
I suddenly asked you this question because I did not have any other
I
question.
love it. I love the spontaneous.
Okay, let me ask you another question.
All right.
Okay, if someone wants to start a business while they are working professionally, what kind of advice would you give?
I'll tell them not to overthink anything. Just start. When you start, you'll figure the way on your way. So just start, and everything else will figure it out. Yeah.
That's very nice.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Shishini.
Buyushe.
And cut.
Cut. Wow, look at this.
It's so beautiful, right?
Catherine, this place is so beautiful. Wow, we can have another interview here.
I'm telling you, yeah, we can. Like, it's going to be like.
Are you ready for another question?
I'm ready. Do you have the questions,
Another
girl?
questionnaire.
Because I'm ready.
You ready? You ready?
I'm very ready. Born for this.
Okay, Catherine. Are you ready for another
I'm
shot?
very ready. Shoot.
Okay. So this was not your first time in China.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tell us about that.
So before this year, 2025,
Yes.
I came to China around 2026. So I started in Hangzhou, China. It's in Zhejiang province. And I took my first degree there, engineering, civil engineering.
Nice.
So this was not my first time in China.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what inspired you to start business after you graduated and went back home?
Because I feel like China is a land of opportunities. So I was like, why should I just have one business, like just do civil engineering? Well, I learned a lot in China. And I was like, no, I have a lot of goals and I need a lot of incomes. So I was like, let me just find something that I'll do and I'm passionate about. Then Nyumbani Mall started my business.
Oh, that's smart.
Yes.
You're a smart girl. Okay, my last question, as I am finished.
Yes, shoot, girl.
It could be spontaneous again.
No worries. I love spontaneous questions.
So tell us about your social media.
Oh, so you can find me through Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp. My Instagram handle is at Nyumbani Mall, and my TikTok is at Nyumbani Mall. So
Nice.
please, let's mingle there on
Yes.
Instagram and TikTok.
Yes. Welcome her, guys. Since she's like beginning the journey of showing up on social media. So, what do you think about the power of social media?
I could speak a lot of things on that, but I think we just need to just show up every day. Consistency and being strategic about it.
Yeah.
It'll do wonders.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all I'll say.
So you will encourage us to.
A lot. I encourage everyone to come on social media and make
Yes.
money. There's a lot of money to make on social media.
Yes, that's very true.
Yes.
Okay, Catherine, another question.
Girl.
What's your business about?
Oh, my business, Nyumbani
Yes.
Mall, is about
Say that name again.
Nyumbani Mall.
Yumbani Mall.
Yes, Nyumbani Mall is all about finding peace
Yeah.
at home. So I sell things to decorate your home,
Okay.
but to also make you feel at peace, safe in your home. So everything from kitchen utensils to
Yes.
decor of your home,
Yes.
everything you'll find there at Nyumbani Mall.
Wow, that's very amazing.
Yeah, so welcome one, welcome all.
Yep, of course. Everyone should shop in
At
Yumbani
Nyumbani
Mall.
Mall, yes.
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 Okay.
All right.
Yeah, okay. Let's see the next stop for our interesting question.
Yes, please, come on.
Look at that.
What? Ikram. Ikram, I'll miss you. I want to cry. Imagine I leave you. You are going to enjoy all this. All this.
It's beautiful, right?
I know. What? Where's this phone of mine? Ikram, can I have my phone? I want to take a photo of this beauty.
This place is so beautiful.
Mm.
The lighting here is something else. Okay, Catherine, are you ready for the next questionnaires?
Yes.
Okay. Please tell me 2 challenges you had in China, in Guangzhou and in you.
So I'll start in you.
Yeah.
I think the first challenge was the finding things that I wanted. I know that in different markets they have different goods,
Yeah.
and everything I wanted was in District 4. But girl, nothing prepared me for the walk. Like, you have to walk to find good suppliers, to find
Yes.
someone, like a good supplier that you'll click with.
Yes.
Because sometimes you can enter a shop but you just don't feel the vibe, so you don't want to buy. So the walking, yeah, that was challenging, but it felt good. The more I walked, the more I connected with people I wanted to do business with.
Nice.
So that was one challenge I faced on you. And in Guangzhou,
Yeah.
I would say a challenge. Did I face any challenge? Yes, when I got off the airport,
Yeah.
I lost connection with everyone, with family, and I was like, what? How am I going to survive?
Yes.
But when I met you and
Yeah.
you just calmed me down,
Yeah.
and like, girl, I got you.
Yeah.
Then you helped me get the SIM card. You helped me get the VPNs.
Yes.
It was so easy. So I would say those were the 2 challenges that I faced here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, you remind me that day when you landed from Guangzhou. It was like really hard because I was waiting for you in the airport, and you were like maybe 3 hours late inside there, being questioned and all that. So I want the people who want to come to be prepared for that. So you can explain a little bit what you faced in there and what kind of advice you can give them, so later they can prepare themselves to answer.
Yes, girl. You just reminded me of that.
Yeah.
So when I landed in
Yeah.
Guangzhou, you
Yeah.
have to make line to get your visa and passport checked.
Yes.
So when I got there, they said they want to question me to just be sure like I have the money to do business, because I think I just look young and I look like I don't have money, but I do have money. So they took me to another room for interrogation. And there it was just to make sure that what they wanted to know what I was doing here,
Yeah.
and to also know that I have a place to stay, because I think there's a lot of people who come here
Yeah.
and they do other business. So
Yes.
I think they just wanted to check and see if I got everything and I was not just illegally here.
Okay, so
Yes,
they need.
but the interrogation took hours because I
Yeah.
also found other people there. Like I found
Okay.
other Africans there.
Yeah.
So it was like one by one, and it was a lot of people. So that's why it took time.
A long time.
Yes, but I was actually not worried because I got everything at hand. So they wanted my passport. They take your phone.
Yeah.
They pass through everything in your phone.
Wow.
So you just need to have everything at hand, your visas, your contacts. If you even have suppliers that you have talked with, you can show them.
Yeah. Or
Even those not bad, that part, Ikran. But you also want the building. Hi, Ikram.
hi.
So can you tell us more about yourself, your name, what you do here in China, and the business that you do here in China?
Yes, of course. My name is Dr. Ikram. I stayed in China for a long time. I studied medicine here. Also, I opened a company, a sourcing company, and I help people source from China. So, for example, Catherine, she came here and we had fun a lot, and also we did business. So, balancing life and business, yeah,
Your scarf.
yeah.
I want you to see if I'm doing it correctly.
Okay.
But I want it up close. So
Yeah.
you said you help businesses
Yes.
grow their businesses, and you
Yes.
help them source the products.
Yes.
So how can someone get in touch with you?
It's so easy. So I have YouTube channel, for example, and you can contact me there because I put my socials there, mostly my Instagram and my number, and I will link them down below for you, for it to be easy to find me. I'll be very glad to help everyone and welcome them to China. So if you need me, you can just find me there. If you need to source from China while you are away, you are welcome. Also, if you want to come and visit China and you need someone to take you around, also welcome.
So I know you have worked with different people. You have helped them sourcing. You have helped different business people.
Yes.
So what is it like to work with foreigners?
Actually, this is my first time working with a foreigner. Of course, Catherine, she is a lovely girl, and because I work with her, and we had so much fun. We did business. Also, we enjoyed life. So I am now open to work with foreigners and become international. Yeah, I enjoy it so much.
What would you say, or what do someone needs to, as a foreigner, to do business with you? Like, what do they need? Their passport, or what documents do they need to first contact you?
So it's normal, you know, everything is about trusting. So first we need to talk, contact me on my social medias or my WhatsApp. We get to know each other, and we build trust first, and then we see how we can work together, and then from there we go on.
So Dr. Ikram, can you tell us the whole process from the sourcing to Zaijian? Bye bye.
Okay, so for example, after we contact and we build trust, and you tell me what you need, for example, what kind of product and what is your budget, I can advise you where is the best place to source. And later, if you decide to come, I already know where can I take you and what kind of products you need. Yeah.
So is it important for a business person to give you a list before coming so you know where to find different things?
Yes, a person need to have a list of what they want. Before you come, it's best for you to search Alibaba to get the idea of what you want. You know, some people, they know what they want, but they don't know the details of what they want. Like what kind of product, what kind of material. You know, sometimes you will find the exterior is the same, but actually the interior is different because the material is different. There's expensive material that will last longer and good quality, and there's really not good quality. So first you need to learn about your product, and you need to learn the normal budget for that product. So you need to contact a lot of factories and see what kind of product are actually you want, what kind of product you actually want. After that, if you want to ask me to source for you, you send me what you need and I directly know what you want. And if you decide to come, then we already, like, you already did the background and everything. Now it will be easy. We go directly to factories and you will directly source without having the hassle again.
Can you tell us more about the food in China? Is it like a shock when someone comes to China?
Of course. Food is always a trouble, especially if you are going to a city that's not known for foreigner people living there. So if you have specifications for your food, like, it will be very hard to find. But of course there is some restaurants that will be suitable for you, and you just need to do a little more research and it will be easy. For example, if you are coming to a big city like Guangzhou, Yiwu, these kind of cities, then you don't have to worry at all, because everywhere there is international food. So definitely maybe you will find even your country restaurants.
So Dr. Ikram, do you
Yes.
speak Chinese language? Because I know when you're in China, it's
Yeah.
really hard to communicate.
Yes.
So what will happen? So Ikram, do you know Chinese language? And when I come to China, should I know the Chinese language? Or what will happen if I can't speak Chinese and I still need to get the goods?
Okay, so of course I speak Chinese language. I know Chinese language. I have been here a long time. And you don't have to worry if you are coming to China and you are coming to someone you know. Of course that person will help you around. And if you are coming to me, then of course you don't have to worry at all. I catch you.
So doctor, how many languages can you speak?
I can speak Chinese, I can speak English, I can speak Arabic. So these three languages. Swahili, I need to learn now from Catherine probably. The extra language now that I need to learn is Swahili, and I think me and Catherine agreed for her to teach me. Yeah.
Mambo.
Boa. Karibu.
Asante sana, girl.
Catherine, I'm so grateful that you are showing up on my YouTube. Thank you so much, girl.
You're welcome, girl. You make it easy.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. I really enjoy now spending time with you. I'm afraid when you go back, I will miss you so much.
I'll miss you more, girl.
Oh my God. Catherine, you should visit me, okay?
I will. I will. Probably next year.
Yes,
Yeah.
girl. Yeah. I will wait for you here. And yeah, our business lady.
Yeah. So tell us, what were some of the challenges that you faced working with me?
Actually, I did not face any challenge, Catherine. Come on. It was so fun.
I know.
Now you helped me open up my mind to work with foreigners.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding. Now I start working with foreigners because of this girl.
Girl, Yeah, I did well. I did well for you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So I think you will link me up to a lot of people. Yeah?
Yeah, a lot. And do
Yeah.
Ren.
Yes. Actually, Catherine, one of my best friends, linked me to her. You already have seen him in my videos. He's called Richard.
Yes, Richard.
Yeah, from Tanzania.
Mm.
So I believe like now all Tanzanians are my best friends.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, really,
Yeah.
really, they are beautiful people. They are so friendly, open-minded. Wow, I really enjoy a lot your friendship and everything, guys.
I'll miss you, girl.
I'll miss you
And
too.
the lights are off.
Yeah, they are turning off the lights.
At
We
least
are
they waited
so
for
late
us.
in here.
Yeah. Should we order a Didi?
Yeah, let's order a Didi and go back home.
I know. I'll be leaving next week, and I'm so sad. I'll miss you so much. You should also come visit Tanzania.
Me too. Yeah, that place.
Yeah.
It's
So we can
called
go to Zanzibar and
Zanzibar.
biryani,
Yeah.
pilau,
Yes.
chipsi mayai.
Gypsy Maya, you
Yes.
promised me that you will make,
Yes, maybe next year. Or when you come to Tanzania.
right?
Hopefully soon.
No, you will teach me online first.
Okay. Then you'll make it and send a video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Gypsy Maya.
Chipsi
Oi,
mayai.
I cannot wait to taste that thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Catherine made it a very interesting dish, so I cannot wait to try it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll wait to see it on your TikTok.
Maybe
Yeah.
I will make you go to kitchen and let you make. Really, I'm not kidding at this point. because
Really?
I need to try
Actually,
that.
actually, I'll make one and send you a video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You are leaving too soon, girl.
I'm sad too.
Yeah, it's okay. Next time.
Yeah.